Today I will share how to create viral cartoon animations like this using Canva. So let's start with it. So first I will come to the home page of Canva, and here I will click on Canva AI. Okay, and here this is the settings we need to maintain because we are planning to make it in wide angle. So I have chosen this 16:9. You can choose 1:1, which is the default font. You can use that. And also, for if you want to make it for reels format or this YouTube shorts format, you can use this 9:16 format. Okay, so for this example I am using 16:9. Okay, and I am creating an image first, and make sure you choose ultra because this is the default one which will come here, but you have to make sure it is in ultra so you get the highest quality, great for images and video. As you can see, it is written here. So here I will write the text, help me make a cute cartoon girl wearing a purple hoodie walking like image with nature background. Okay, so this is the prompt which I am using. This is very easy to use, and if you want I will just write the prompt in the description. You can just copy from there. Okay, and after that just click on this arrow button. So these are the results which I got in here. So I have got 4 results, as you can see, and it has created me this 4 results. So this is the first one, this is the second one, this is the third one, and this is the fourth one. And I really like the fourth one because it gives a 3D type effect here. So let's try with this one and let's download it. So I have downloaded it, and after that I will just click on home again, and in here I will go to social media and I will choose YouTube thumbnail, as I have chosen 16:9 format for making this image. So I am choosing this YouTube thumbnail which follows the same dimension, and I will just re-upload the image in here. Okay, and after that I will just make this image bigger and cover it the canvas, and after that click on edit and scroll down to find image to video and click on generate 5-second video. So I really like this design, and click on add video to design. So this is the design, and I hope you really like the process, and if you want to make similar design you can just follow the same process and make the design for you. And if you have any question regarding this tutorial or any other tutorial, please let me know in the comments, and please hype this video if you want others also to watch this video, and please subscribe to the channel so that we can bring more new tutorials for absolutely free. Thank you.